Hello everyone, I'm Te. Today I want to share how to make Mote Lone Yay Paw. If you want to make Mote Lone Yay Paw, you need sticky rice flour, a pinch of salt, jaggery, water, and grated coconut. First, mix the sticky rice flour and rice flour together in a bowl. Then gradually add water, little by little, and knead until it becomes a smooth dough. Next, take a small amount of dough, place a piece of jaggery inside, and roll it into a ball. By the way, this Mote Lone Yay Paw is Myanmar snack. During the Jan, Myanmar people enjoy special snacks like Mote Lone Yay Paw, Mola Sao, the Jan rice, and cold drinks. We happily offer these snacks to others. It's a beautiful and lively tradition. After that, drop the rice balls into boiling water. Once they float to the top, that means they are cooked. Take them out carefully. Finally, roll the cooked rice balls in grated coconut to decorate. Now you can enjoy your delicious Mote Lone Yay Paw. Thanks for watching, guys. See you.